What's up, everyone? In case you didn't know, registering a legal business is annoying, time-consuming, and just overall not fun. I've registered a few businesses on my own, and I've learned to hate how frustrating it can be. So I decided instead of doing it myself, I would look to outsource the job to different online registration companies, and that's what we're talking about today. A company called Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands is an online business registration company that focuses on helping new business owners like you establish a brand. They help with everything from things like a logo maker or a website, business cards, but they primarily offer incorporation services to get your business started with all of the legal requirements in place. They offer a few different packages on their website that will help take all of the stress out of the registration process. So of course, Tailor Brands offers their services to both non-US citizens and people from the US. They also focus on branding, so Tailor Brands is an option for startups that need to create a brand identity for their business immediately. But this review is going to be focused on their LLC registration service because that's what I use them for. So in this video, we will talk about what they offer, how much they cost, how they compare with some companies in the same space, and some of the pros and the cons. And by the end of this video, you should have all the info you need to decide whether or not they're the right fit for you to help you incorporate your business or not. And of course, if you decide to use Tailor Brands and you want to save some money, feel free to use the affiliate link that's down in the description below, which will automatically give you a discount that you will not get if you went straight to their website. So, with that said, I first want to give you a little background about them. They started back in 2014, and their mission was to give new businesses everything they needed to launch successfully. And after they started incorporating businesses, they realized that a lot of the new businesses they were launching weren't taken seriously until they had some kind of digital business card with a logo, a website, and other assets that gave the business more authority to their clients and their employees. So they went about creating a website to give startups everything that they need, not only in terms of getting the legal aspects of the business, but also all of the marketing all in one place. And they did this by making a website centered around a logo maker that can also help you make a website, digital business cards, and merchandise, along with their registration and management services. And like I said earlier, I've been involved in different ways with starting a bunch of new businesses, so I know what it takes. I've used Zen Business, LegalZoom, and Swift Filings. And I've even tried Busy, which for a bunch of reasons, I'm not gonna ever recommend them. But listen, I'm definitely gonna say that I've learned a ton on this subject, so I can say that in terms of plans and pricing, Tailor Brands is structured very differently from the others because they take you through a unique process to identify your needs and give you a custom-built estimate specifically it's tailored to your business needs. And only then do you have the option of looking at their plans, which is cool and unique when you compare it to the other companies that I've tried before. Now, to actually get a certificate of incorporation, which is like, your birth certificate for your business, you have three choices, all of which exclude the state fees, which of course are different from state to state, and you'll have to pay no matter which company or plan you go with. But first, let's take a look at their packages for limited liability corporations, or LLCs, which is really the only kind of company structure you can actually get here on Tailor Brands. So if you want to register an S Corp, a C Corp, or a nonprofit, then as of today, you have to try using one of the other services I've reviewed like LegalZoom or Zen Business. And I left those links to the reviews in the description below. But in terms of their plans, they start what's called the Light Plan, which they currently offer for $0. You can register an LLC just by covering the state fees. This is a one-time charge that covers basic registration, and as long as you submit all of the necessary documents, they guarantee filing within 14 business days. And because I've tried other services, I know that the actual processing time after you file can take weeks. So with this option, you're going to need to be very patient. The next option is their Essential Plan, which is an annual subscription of $200 plus any state fees. Here you get expedited processing within 2 days, and they also throw in compliance services to make sure that you meet the legal state-specific requirements of whatever state you are registering in. They remind you to pay annual state fees or submit tax documents to keep you up to date. This plan includes a standard operating agreement, which, if there are multiple members, is signed by all of the members of the LLC and declares which person is responsible for which role, as well as what rules govern the business, which is absolutely essential if you have partners or investors in the business. Now, for those of you looking for the best bang for buck, Tailor Brands has the Elite Plan, which will cost you around $250 a year. It has everything in the Essential Plan, plus a business website domain for a year, up to 8 logos, a digital business card, and use of their business card design tool. You also get their AI-powered website builder for a year, and you get access to a social media post generator that is great for people who don't know all the rules for posting from a business page on Facebook or Instagram. I personally ended up going with the Elite Plan because it covered everything I needed to get up and running with my Facebook page. It took about a week, and then I had a brand identity with a logo, a website up and running, and my LLC application filed with my state. These are all things you can do separately or on your own, but if you want to launch your business as a complete package in a much easier way that looks professional with your brand well-defined and ready to go, then this option is the best way to get all that done in one place. With all of the plans, you also get the option of a free business bank account, and you can add services to create your logo or business card with monthly subscription plans that start at around $4 and go up to $13. You can use their design studio to make a logo for free, but you can only download a low resolution file. For higher resolution vector image files, you're gonna have to subscribe, but once you sign up and you download your logo, it's yours forever. Now, if you want to stress yourself out, you can do all this yourself, but if you're like me and you value your time and peace, you can have Tailor Brands do them for you for a bit extra, and some of these things are required by law. For example, if you live in the US, you'll need a business tax number if you employ anyone besides yourself, and this number is called an EIN number, which you can technically get directly from the IRS. But either way, you'll need it because you'll have to have it to be able to file taxes legally. The other thing you need to do is assign a registered agent who accepts all legal communication between the business and the state. And this is also something that technically, if you want to save a few bucks, you can do it yourself. But you can also have Tailor Brands deal with it if you want. And if you want them to do it for you, the EIN will cost around $100 as a one-time expense. And if you want Tailor Brands to act as your registered agent, this will cost around $200 per year, which again, you can do yourself, but it's not something that I would ever do again. Honestly, the price for taking care of it for you is very reasonable for the amount of work and stress that it's going to take. Like I said, you can do both yourself, but only if you're a US citizen. If you live outside of the US or you're not a citizen, you can register a company in America, and Tailor Brands does this for you in Delaware and Wyoming, which are 2 states that are open to international ownership and don't tax LLCs. Just know, as a non-resident, you can't get your own EIN or act as your own registered agent, so you'll need to pay Tailor Brands to do this both for you. And again, if you want to try Tailor Brands out and save some money, you can use the affiliate link that's down in the description. If you use it, you automatically get a discount that you will not get if you went directly to their website. Let's talk competitors. There are a few different options, and like I mentioned, I've used a few of them, so let's compare. So you can check out Swift Filings or Zen Business, as they both offer a free initial registration process, but you need to get money out of your pocket if you want one of their paid plans, and that includes their other useful services to help you manage your new business and keep it compliant according to your state regulations. Not to mention that you have to have it, you're going to cover the cost of the EIN either way. But I do think that Tailor Brands is great for anyone who's setting up a business for the first time, because they take you through a step-by-step process and don't offer you a bunch of services to choose from, which, if you're new and you're just starting out, this will be very confusing. Swift Filings, for example, will file your registration for you for free within 10 days, and they register a range of company types, not just LLCs, but their standard plan, for example, costs $200, which is really the price of Tailor Brands' Essential Plan. But this is where they give a lot of options that will be confusing if you are new to this whole process. And if you go with My Company Works, they don't have a free plan, but they do offer a basic formation package for $79 plus state fees that includes same-day filing, an operating agreement, compliance alerts, and a lot of other stuff. But what they don't have that Tailor Brands does have is a logo maker with a website design function included, and that is where Tailor Brands stands out as the only company that gives your brand just as much attention as your company's registration process. Now, my personal experience using Tailor Brands is actually very different from other ones that I've tried before. You literally have to go through the whole process of registering an account and telling them about your business before you can actually see the cost. You can start with logo design, and for that, all you need is a name, and you get some basic options that will produce a decent logo and brand image very quickly. Of course, when you come to download whatever you make, you will need to subscribe. Also, if you want to register a company with Tailor Brands, then it's probably a good idea to just get the Elite plan, which basically includes everything for a year. And I mean everything. Everything that you need is already included, and your brand will be ready to take off with a bit of work on your end. And remember, I'm not new to this business startup process. And so I really believe that it's just worth it to let the experts do all of the annoying and time-consuming paperwork and take care of everything for you. And when you first start, you're going to go through what they call their guidance engine. And it's going to ask you a bunch of questions to figure out exactly what you need before tailoring your plan specifically to your company, which is probably why they call it Tailor Brands in the first place. But that's just a guess. In any case, after they tailor a plan for you, it says, show me more options. And then you'll see their main annual plan and what that includes. And honestly, I could have done without all of some of the extra steps. For me, it took a while until I got an actual price, which was frustrating. But I was impressed with the end result, and I have used them many times since. And in terms of customer service, it is usually a chatbot that really wasn't able to answer my questions very well. But they do have a thorough help section, and you can email them, which also starts with an automated reply. So you have to go through a bunch of levels before you ever deal with an actual real person. But if the automated process doesn't work for you, then you just have to keep pushing until you get to a real human rep. I did find that pretty annoying, and I wish I could have seen their plans and pricing from the start. But again, I was very happy with the end result. Also, I did up getting a logo, a website, and my company registered, and I also got my business tax number and a registered agent set up without much hassle, which you need to operate legally in the US. So I wanted to get my online presence and social media pages like Facebook or LinkedIn up and posting quickly. And in the end, for all this, Tailor Brands was a really good and affordable way to go. So that just about wraps up this video, except for one big question. With all of my experience with a bunch of these different services, do I recommend Tailor Brands or not? Well, the answer is that I think Tailor Brands is definitely a great option for anyone looking to not only start a new business, but also for people who want help with everything from brand identity to their online presence all in one place. So for those reasons, along with their usability and the ease of their website, I definitely do recommend Tailor Brands for anyone looking to register an LLC. All right, that's it for this video. I do hope you found it helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this one. And like I mentioned twice already, if you want to give Tailor Brands a try, check out the affiliate link in the description below to get that discount that I mentioned before that you're not going to be able to get if you went straight to their website. And also, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to try and answer them as soon as I can. And finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.